Hi guys, welcome to Molu's vlog. Welcome to another Puerto Montt. I started my day with the Mistela, which is a typical Chilean liquor, I would say. It kind of like tastes same as the rakia in Albania, but this is more flavorish. The one that I'm having right now is with raspberries. It's super sweet, just a tiny little bit of alcohol, but it's super nice. So today Leslie and I, well, Leslie's right over there, my friends. She's ordering empanadas for us. We came to visit the market, which is outside of the port. It's on the left side. It's a very big market full of handcraft things, restaurants, fish markets, everything you can find here. So we came to check out this cute little place and stay with me for more things to come. Hello everyone, I'm on a new adventure and I can't wait to share it with you. Today we're taking a quick tour of 3 enchanting locations near Puerto Montt, Chile. Our first stop is the downtown of Puerto Montt. It's lively here, the streets are bustling, the vibe is just incredible. One thing you cannot miss when you're here is the food, especially empanadas. They're a true taste of Chile. We've just arrived in Puerto Varas. It's like a little slice of Germany right here in Chile. The view is breathtaking. Unfortunately, we're only here for an hour, but let's make the best out of it. Just take a look at the lake. These waves. Stunning. The downtown is just as lovely. Walk with me and soak in the beauty of this place. Welcome to Frutillar, a town that is as charming as its name. It's colorful and cozy and I cannot wait to explore it. As you can see, it's very crowded. People love to come in this area because the food is just super delicious. Like in all the restaurants that you will go, you will find amazing food. And one thing that especially this area is famous for, it's the crab. The seafood is just amazing. Also the main industry here, it is seafood in general. So yeah, seafood, it's very good. I cannot wait to try my empanadas. I ordered empanadas with cheese and empanadas with cheese and crab, so I cannot wait for them because they are making it ready for us. It's not like the ones that you usually find like they're made in oven. They're like homemade. They're just preparing it for us, so yeah, I'm super excited. I love empanadas. And this is a place where we stop for some empanadas. I ordered empanadas with centolla, that was the name? Yes. Which is the big crab, and also empanadas with queso, which is empanadas with cheese. I cannot wait for them to get ready. They're freshly made, not like the ones that you usually find where they make them in the microwave. These are freshly made, so they must be super delicious and I cannot wait to try them. So keep up with me. Super delicious. Hi guys, today it was a very unexpected morning for me. So what happened was, last night I finished my shift, I went to bed all happy. It was around midnight, and at 2 a.m. in the morning I get a knock on my door. Toc toc toc. It was a friend of mine. She had signed up for a tour but she couldn't make it, and the tour was at 7:25 in the morning. So she was like begging me to go and take her place. And well, I said yes, and here I am in Puerto Montt in Chile. That right over there is the bus that I'm taking the tour with. I'm here as an escort, and I couldn't be more happier. I actually had no plans for today. I was just going to sleep and maybe go out for a coffee or lunch, but here I am, and keep up with me and I'll show you how my tour goes. I want to go in the water so bad, but look at me wearing a jacket. It is a sunny day. I'm very happy for that. Usually it's during this time of the year it's a little bit coldish and not this sunny, so I'm very happy that the day turned out such a beautiful day. People also sleeping in the beach. I don't know if you can spot the volcano over there. It is a volcano, and on our way here we had a tour guide. Her name is Ruby, and she was very informative. She let us know that 5 years ago the volcano just exploded, like without any warning. It just exploded, and for over 6 months there was still like ashes coming out of the volcano, so it was like a huge thing. That was interesting, but at the same time like very scary. She said that she was excited. She always wanted to see a volcano explode, but when she saw it she was like, yeah, not anymore. I think all of us would have been the same. To mention that the streets, they look really clean. There is a lot of restaurants and bars you can see here. I think I'm gonna have a coffee right over there. So I have to let you know also that from Puerto Montt we took the bus, obviously, and we went all through the highway and arrived in Puerto Varas. So right now I'm actually in Puerto Varas. Okay, I just saw where I'm located, and it's right over here. So we're gonna be going all the way up to there. As I mentioned, we are going to visit 2 cities. And yeah. So if you want to know how long it takes from Puerto Montt to Puerto Varas, it's I would say 20 minutes. I didn't really had a watch with me, but it felt very, very short. The highway, it was good, the road was good, so I didn't feel it as much, but yeah, I would say like 20 minutes. And we have arrived to the second place called Frutillar, and now in the background you can see 3 volcanoes, not one anymore. Frutillar is also known as a place of strawberries. Very interesting fact. I was told that by our tour guide. So let's explore the city now. As you can notice, all of the small houses, they are built out of wood, and the name of that specific wood that they used to build the houses back in the day is called alerces. I said it is special. The reason for that is because nowadays it's protected, but back then that was the only thing that they used to build the houses. Something interesting about that is the longest in Chile, the wood, and also it reaches up to 3,000 years of age, and that was something very interesting, especially for me that I love nature and I love learning about that stuff. I think I'm going for an ice cream. Okay guys, the temperature outside is 16 degrees Celsius. It is sunny, but it is windy as well, so I'm, putting the jacket on, putting the jacket off. You can see people there at the beach, like it's a normal weather. That's quite interesting, and you can see people kayaking over there. The water temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. Not the best temperature to swim in, I wouldn't though, but it looks very nice, and I'm just enjoying the beach. And here we are. I'm about to go inside and visit the museum, and I hope I can use the camera inside. The other day I was in Stanley and they allowed me to use the camera, so let's see. So I was allowed to bring my camera inside as long as I wasn't using the flash, which was fine with me. The museum was very interesting. It was basically, you would see equipment, I would say, of how the first inhabitants, they start building up this place. It was quite interesting to see. And I think I have only 15 minutes left to go to my bus and back to the ship, so I'm just going for a quick snack and back to the bus, so catch you up later. And my food is here. I ordered a salmon sandwich and a bottle of water. Everything for 10,000 pesos, which is $15. And this is it for my tour in Puerto Montt, Puerto Varas
And Frutillar.
and Frutillar. This is Ruby, our tour guide.
Hi!
So you want to say something nice about this place?
Oh, it's a wonderful place to visit, close here nearby the Lake Llanquihue, the southern part of Chile. We are here in the Lake District, and it's really worth to visit. It's a very Germanic looking place because of the colonization that was done 100 and something years ago. So welcome anytime you wish. Here we are expecting you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Ruby.
You're welcome. Very welcome.
Yeah, Ruby, she was so pleasant to talk with. She spoiled us with information, and it was very nice meeting you. Well, it's been quite a day. I wish we had more time to explore each place, but I hope you've enjoyed this tour as much as I did. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It's a big world out there, and I'm glad I could share a little piece of it with you today. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and ciao for now!